In this video, I'll show you how to quickly show or hide the ribbon, file tabs, and command line in AutoCAD so you can restore your workspace in just a few steps. If your command line is missing, press Ctrl and 9 to toggle it on or off. Once the command line is visible, type ribbon and press Enter to restore the ribbon at the top of the AutoCAD interface. If the ribbon is already visible and you want to hide it, type ribbon close and press Enter. To display the file tabs that let you switch between open drawings, type File Tab in the command line and press Enter. If you ever want to hide them again, type File Tab Close and press Enter. These simple commands make it easy to customize your workspace and quickly recover missing interface elements without resetting AutoCAD. Knowing these shortcuts can save time and help you get back to work faster whenever your workspace changes unexpectedly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.